If your CapCut videos look blurry, soft, or just not as clean as you want, this tutorial is going to help a lot. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase CapCut quality using a simple on-timeline enhancement method and the best export settings for sharper results. This is perfect if you want your edits to look more professional, more detailed, and much better when uploaded to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and select the video clip on the timeline. This is where the quality improvement process starts. Once your clip is selected, look to the top right options panel and click the adjustment tab. In this section, you'll find the sliders that control the look and feel of your footage. Now scroll down until you reach the sharpness and detail settings. The first setting you want to adjust is Sharpen. Set it somewhere between 30 and 40. This helps define the micro edges in your video without creating too much pixel noise or making the clip look over-processed. Next, adjust clarity to somewhere between 15 and 20. Clarity is great for boosting mid-tone contrast, which gives your footage more depth and a cleaner overall appearance. After that, look for particles and set it between 5 and 10. This can help add a slight structural texture if your source footage looks too flat or overly smooth. The key here is not to overdo it. Small changes usually give the best results, especially if you want your video to stay natural while still looking sharper and more polished. Now, if your footage is grainy, dark, or just low quality to begin with, there is also an optional pro feature that can help. Go to the video section, then open the basic panel on the right side. Scroll down and look for reduce image noise and enhance quality. If you have access to these options, turn them on. These tools can help clean up rough footage and improve the final appearance, especially in scenes with shadows, noise, or weak lighting. Just remember, these features work best when combined with good export settings, not used as a replacement for them. Once your timeline adjustments are done, the next step is to make sure your export settings are correct. This part is just as important because even if your edit looks great in CapCut, poor export settings can still lower the final quality. When you're ready, click the blue export button in the top right corner of the interface. That will open the rendering control panel where you can fine-tune the output. First, set the resolution to either 1080p or 4K. The best choice is to match your native source file. If your original video is 1080p, don't upscale it straight to 4K because that can create artificial blurring instead of improving real detail. If your source is truly 4K, then export in 4K for the best results. Next, go to bitrate and switch it from recommended to custom. Choose VBR and enter 5000. This helps keep more visual data in the final export and reduces blocky compression artifacts, especially in fast-moving scenes or detailed footage. After that, set the codec to HEVC, also known as H.265. This codec is excellent for preserving micro details while still keeping the file size efficient. If you're using an older device or you need better compatibility across more platforms, H.264 can still be a safer choice for smoother playback. Then, set the format to MP4. That is the standard container for social media and works well across most devices and platforms. Finally, set the frame rate to 30 FPS or 60 FPS, depending on your source footage. Always match your original video if possible. Use 60 FPS only for action clips, gaming videos, or slowed down footage where higher motion clarity really matters. For most regular videos, 30 FPS is perfectly fine and can still look clean and professional. After you've checked all of those settings, export your video and let CapCut finish rendering. Once it's done, your video should look noticeably sharper, cleaner, and much more professional than before. The biggest takeaway here is that quality comes from a combination of smart adjustments and correct export settings. If you only change one and ignore the other, you may not get the best result. But if you follow both phases together, you can dramatically improve how your CapCut videos look. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more editing guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.